celebrate on 14 November. 14 November, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. First Prime Minister of India. He loves children very much. He compared children bird of flower. We call him Chacha Nehru.
I am going to speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He had extreme love and affection for children. Because of his love for children, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru, also called as Chacha Nehru.
We celebrate Children's Day on 14 November every year with excitement and vigor. He loved children very much. They called him Chacha Nehru because of the love to be used to shower in kids. Getting sweets and gifts on Children's Day is a craze for kids. Various competitions for children are held on this day. Happy Children's Day, all of you. Thank you.
My name is Vignesh Yadav. My roll number is 27. I am telling Chacha Ji song. Chacha Ji, this day is for you. Chacha Ji, we love you so much. You love the children deeply. You work for them bravely. You had dreams for children and you made good plans for them. You fought for our freedom and you made India stronger. We wish on this Children's Day, may all your dreams come true. Happy Children's Day. Thank you, teacher.
My name is Hasnavi Manojaya. Chacha Nehru's birthday speech. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. He was the first Prime Minister of Independence India. His father's name was Motilal Nehru and mother's name was Swarupa Rani. He was very fond of children. Children slowly call him Chacha Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. He was married to Kamala Kaur. He completed his higher education from Cambridge University, England. He was considered as the architect of modern India. He was a great freedom fighter and politician. He died on 27 May 1964. Thank you.
D Division, roll number 35, second standard. Good morning, Munina. Today I am going to speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. एका वर्गात एका मुलीने बाईंना चाचा नेहरूंची माहिती विचारली. मुलांना वाटले की तिचे चाचाजी काय. त्यावर तो मुलगा म्हणाला, ते फक्त तिचे चाचाजी नव्हे, देशातील प्रत्येक मुलाचे चाचाजी होते. बाईंनी सांगितले चाचा नेहरूंना मुलांविषयी खूप प्रेम होतं. एक मुलगी म्हणाली, त्यांचा जन्म 14 नोव्हेंबर 1889 साली झाला. त्यानंतर दुसरा मुलगा म्हणाला, तो दिवस तर बालदिन म्हणून साजरा केला जातो. त्या दिवशी तर शाळेला सुट्टीही असते. बाईंनी वर्गातील मुलांना नेहरूंचे काय फोटो दाखवायला सुरुवात केली. त्यानंतर बाईंनी मुलांना माहिती सांगायला सुरुवात केली. चाचा नेहरूंचा जन्म एक खूप श्रीमंत घराण्यात झाला होता. जणू काय तोंडात सोन्याचा चमचा घेऊन ते जन्माला आले. त्यांचं पालन पोषण एखाद्या राजकुमाराप्रमाणे केलं गेलं. ते अत्यंत बुद्धिमान होते. इतर मुलांसोबत खेळत असताना त्यांचा बॉल एक खड्ड्यात जाऊन पडला. सगळ्यांनी खूप प्रयत्न केला पण बॉल काय बाहेर काढू शकले नाही. जवाहरलालने घरी जाऊन पाणी आणलं. तो खड्डा पाण्याने भरला. बॉल हळूच वर आला आणि तरंगू लागला. सगळ्या मुलांना खूप आनंद झाला. महात्मा गांधी व चाचा नेहरू त्या दोघांना चाचा नेहरू व महात्मा गांधी मध्ये खूप आत्मीयता होती. त्यांचं नातं खूप जवळचं होतं. त्या दोघांनी एकत्र येऊन स्वातंत्र्यासाठी लढा दिला. त्यांना अनेकदा कारागृहात टाकलं गेलं. कारागृहात चाचा नेहरू आपली मुलगी इंदिराला खूप पत्र लिहिली. ते सर्व पत्र एकत्र करून डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया किंवा भारत एक खोज नावाचं पुस्तक लिहिलं गेलं. चाचा नेहरू स्वतंत्र भारताचे पहिले पंतप्रधान बनले. 27 मे 1964 साली ते आपल्याला सोडून अनंतात विलीन झाले. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. I like red rose and children very much. Children lovingly called me Chacha Nehru. My birthday is celebrated as Children's Day all over India.
Hi, my name is Arya Ananda Tosulkar,
3rd class C. My topic is Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year. Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He liked children very much. They called him Chacha Nehru because he loves the
Hello everyone, my name is Harshal Patil from 3rd D. Today I am going to speak on Children's Day. Today 14 November, the birthday of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. This day is very important in the life of every child. He was born in Allahabad, India in 1889. Nehru was the son of Motilal Nehru and Swarup Rani Nehru. He was very brilliant, so the name is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Also known as due to Pandit due to his root with the Kashmir Pandit community. The Indian children remember Jawaharlal Nehru as Chacha Nehru because he was loving to involve with children. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day all over the India because of his love and affection for children. Indira Gandhi was daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's spread this message and make this day is very memorable one. Thank you and happy Children's Day.
Children's Day was first established in 1954 as Universal Children's Day and is celebrated on 20th November each year to promote international togetherness, awareness among children worldwide, and improving children's welfare. In India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday is celebrated as Children's Day on 14th November every year. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He also lovingly known as Chacha Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day because of his immense love and affection for children. He considered children as the building blocks of a strong nation. With this, conclude by wishing all my dear friends a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Everyone. My name is Sidra Qureshi from 4th C. Today we are celebrating Universal Children's Day. As the name suggests, is a day dedicated to children from all over the world. It is celebrated on 20 November every year. The Universal Children's Day was established in 1954 and is being celebrated since 1956. On this day in 1989, the Convention of the Right of a Child was adopted by the UN General Assembly. This day is celebrated to spread togetherness and awareness about the best upbringing of children around the globe. The UN General Assembly directed all the global countries to observe the day for the welfare of the children. Universal Children's Day is not a holiday, so that children can be given important information in school. Many programs were conducted for awareness among the children. On this day, we should work on skill development of children to make them productive and independent. The Universal Children's Day is of utmost importance for children, but the biggest contribution of parents and teachers is necessary to make this day welfare day for children. We should make sure that the children of our society must go on right path, or so that the country and the world can get a better future and the world